Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Fitriani from the D4 Digital Office Administration Study Program Faculty of Economy Universitas Negeri Jakarta with my supervisor, number one, Mr. Dr. Christian Wiradini Waller, SMM, and Mr. Adnan Kasofi, SPD, MBI. I will present my thesis research plan entitled Dynamic Archive Storage Analysis at PT ASDP Indonesia Ferry Persero. Research background. The rapid development of science and technology has a great influence on progress in the government and private sector. Every job and activity in an institute, agency, company, or organization cannot be spared from correspondence activity. Correspondence in an association requires that an information, one source of data is becoming mail documents. These documents are usually processed and stored in accordance with the regulation in force in each company with is also collect archiving. The benefits of storing archive include supporting administration activity, facilitating archive search, ensuring safety and confidential, and maintaining their usefulness as a legitimate source of information. Research. Besides of brief interview and observations conducted, there are still objects in storing archive manual. This object consists of some letters, this record manual or digital signature. Archive coding classification is still based on divisions, so that it is difficult to find archive again and lack for store. The following are the result of the pre-research questionnaire that has been consulted. Based on the diagram above, it can be seen that 20% state strongly agree, 40% state agree, 25% state natural, and 15% state disagree. That the manual archive storage system has been running well and effectively. This can be concluded from the majority of respondents stating that the manual archive management system has been running quite well, so that the classification of archive coding must be further improved so that the letter can be found again quickly and accurately. Based on the diagram, it is that 55% state no and 45% state yes. Regarding the manual classification of archive storage coding, the conclusion from the results of the questionnaire is that the classification of archive storage coding is unbased on the subject, making it difficult to find the record documents. Research purpose. Number 1, analyzing the manual dynamic archive storage system at PT ASDP Indonesia Ferry Persero. Number 2, analyzing the checklist that exist in manual storage of dynamic archive at PT ASDP Indonesia Ferry Persero. And number 3, analyzing how to overcome and solution to obstacles in manual storage of dynamic archive at PT ASDP Indonesia Ferry Persero. Literature review. Correspondence and letter. According to Elisa, correspondence is an activity or ongoing relationship between two parties that is carried out by sending letters to each other. According to Fitri, a letter is a written communication tool or organization from one party and address to another party. Archive. According to Hilwa Hafiza, Mutamainah, and Samson's archive are tangible evidence of activity taking place in every company or agency. Dynamic archive. According to Henriani, dynamic archive are archives that are used directly in the activity of the archive creation, which are searched for a certain period of time. Type of archive. According Sugiarto and Wahyono, archives are based on their value or usefulness. According to Saputra and Fitri, archives are based on their function. Archive function. According Arla Yesiva, archive function as a place to store memories, decision-making instrument, evidence of the extent of the organization and other organizational goals. Archive also has to function, namely primary function and secondary function. Archive storage. The archive storage system is a system for storing and retrieving active archive in a logical and systematic manners using number and letter combination as the identity of the archive in question. According to Helwa Hafiza Mutamaina and Samsons, the archive storage system has types of archive storage set on its table, namely number 1, alphabetical system, number 2, chronology or date system, number 3, geographical system, number 4, subject system, and number 5, number system. Prefers research. Number 1, optimization of manual and digital archive arrangement in archive management at the East Java Archive and Library Service. Number 2, analysis of archive reconstruction as a solution to the problem of irregular archive at the Karimun Jawa National Park Office. Number 3, dynamic archive management at the National Land Agency Office, Klaten Regency. Place and time of research. The place where this research was carried out was at PT ASDP Indonesia Ferry Persero. The research period was carried out for 6 months, starting from July to December to 2024. The following is a timeline of research conducted by researchers. Research methods. Research design. The research use a qualitative research method with a case study approach. According to Creswell, qualitative research is a process of investigating an extreme phenomenon, whether a natural phenomenon or a human engineered phenomenon. The case study approach method is a research where researchers explore a particular phenomenon at the particular time and activity and collect detailed and in-depth information using various data collection and procedures over a certain period of time. Data collection technique. Data collection technique is use observation, interviews, documentation, and literature study. Observation. These data collection techniques through observation is carried out directly. According to Isnawati, direct observation is a data collection activity by conducting direct research on the environmental considerations of the research object that support research activity. So that a clear picture of the condition of the research object can be obtained. Interview. According to Rizky Fadila and Ayu Landari, an interview is a event or a process of interaction between the interviewer and the source of information through direct communication. In the interview, it's usually carried out individually or in groups so that informative data is obtained. And documentation. Documentation indirect observation to obtain data obtained by research in accordance with the discussion. Data occurs from the documentation are used to complete the research, but in the form of written shorts, films, image, and monumental works, all of which provide information for the research process. Data source and research samples. That the data source is the research is interview informants. The sampling technique is purposive sampling by taking a sample of 4 people. In this study, 2 types of data sources were used, namely primary and secondary data source. Primary data source are obtained directly through observation, while secondary data source obtained through reference in the form of books, journal article, and others. According to Santina, purposive sampling is a sampling technique used by research if researchers have certain consideration in taking sample of determining sample for certain purpose. Data validity technique. In this study, the research used triangulation of data collection technique and triangulation of search. Triangulation of data collection technique is done by comparing the result of observations on interview result. The research have conducted. Meanwhile, short triangulation is done by checking the information that research obtained through interview with several sources of information. Informants. Data analysis technique. According to Miles and Huberman, data analysis technique consists of data collection, data reduction, data presentation, as well as drawing conclusion of verification. Data collection is a collection of information that give research the possibility to draw conclusion and take action. In completing this research use data in the form of observation, result, interview, documentation, and literature study. Data collection. Data collection is the process of selecting, focusing, and simplifying types of information that support research data obtained and record during the data research process in the file. Data presentation is the process of compiling information that provides the possibility of conclusion in qualitative research. The data presentation can be done in the form of brief descriptions, cards, and the like. With these data presentations, it is easier for researchers to understand the problem that occurred and plan future action according that to what has been understood. Drawing conclusion is the final process of the steps taken from in the result of observation, interview, and documentation relate to the topic being studied. Drawing conclusion is taken from data that has been analyzed and data that has been analyzed and data that has been checked based on evidence obtained at the research location. Researchers must come to conclusion and conduct verification, but in terms of meaning and the term of the conclusion agreed upon by place there the research was carried out. The meaning formulated by research from the data must be tested for truth, suitability, and robustness. That's all for my presentation of my thesis research plan. More or less, I apologize. Thank you.